Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel, Pops Vlogs. In today's video, I will be making my way back to the MMS meet. They hosted a car show earlier this year on April, and they're gonna host it again once again today for the second time of the year. You guys know how the April event went. That video was so amazing. Let's hope that today's event is gonna be 10 times better from the April event. But anyways, I'm currently right now at the car wash, as you guys can see in the background. My boy Emmanuel is on his way here right now. I don't know what time he's gonna get here right now. And from here, we're gonna go to a gas station where we're gonna meet some other people. And then from that gas station, we're going to cruise to the event, which is like 20 minutes from that gas station. So yeah, stay tuned for that little cruise. I'm gonna try my best to record as much as possible. But anyways, if you guys are new to my channel and you guys are not yet part of the Pops Vlogs army, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications for future uploads. Also drop a like on this video. Let's get this video to 100 likes if it's possible. But yeah, right now I'm gonna just wash my car, wait for Emmanuel to get here, and I'll get back with y'all whenever I arrive to the gas station. Hey bro, I'm recording right now. Say what's up to the video.
Yo, what's going on, folks? How y'all doing? Finger rolling out today, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He said he's recording. I'm fucking dead.
Alright, bro. I'll see you here.
Alright, my guy. I'll be there in 20.
I bet.
Alright, bro.
Alrighty, guys. Officially made it to the gas station. I'm getting some gas right quick. But here's the turnout. So many cars showed up to cruise to the Mustang show. Yes sir, yes sir. We got a couple of Camaros over there. This gas is going too slow. I think I'm gonna just stop it. I don't think there's any gas here. Yes sir, yes sir, we cruising, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Now my boy Pedro behind me, yes sir. Alrighty guys, I have officially made it to Crocodile Island Part 2, yes sir, yes sir. We out here, Crocodile Island.
Crocodile Island Part 2, y'all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Should I do a burnout, Emmanuel?
Oh, for sure, bro. You better cut up.
For sure.
Burn them tires off, bro. I told you about that. Burn them tires off.
I might. Woo. Sounds nice. Oh my god. This back on this crocodile is so nice. I love the orange. The wheels are amazing. Here's a closer look of the wheels. They're pretty thick. Pretty good for burnouts, bro.
The calipers are painted in the front too.
Yeah. He got the Brembo brakes, yes sir. That's a must on every single muscle car. Here's a Mac 1. Here's a front view of the Mustang right here. Yes sir. Very clean. I'm so glad he could make it out here to MMS. He's from Virginia, so appreciate him for taking his time to come out here and showing MMS support. Yes sir. Hey bro, can you rev it? Can you rev it?
One time. Try to get the views in the mouth.
That's what I like.
Oh, my eardrum! God! I can't my ear. Oh my
Damn.
God. Yo, land. with that. I'm fucking with that 100%. What do, brother? Oh, well, hello. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Why is he actually good at that?
Oh, see, he's doing it again. Oh, he's tweaking. Oh, he's tweaking. My cousin. God, kill it almost kills it.
Tell me your fucking mans.
I'm definitely down the side of the road. Set it up. Let's go, my boy. Yeah. It's your time, brother.
Oh, come on, bro. Hold up. 1 second.
Nice. Oh. He did a quick 180. that. He got that. He got that. He got that. He almost smacked the fuck out that kid. You see that shit? Yes, sir. Another Mustang right there. 4 cylinders. Your tires are gone, bro. I spoke too soon. I don't know. More day, Emmanuel?
Mopar, boy!
I'm done recording. My phone's almost dead. Mom in the car. The kids in the back is crazy. Oh, you got kids back there. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. El jefe! Good launch control! Jesus Christ, that's crazy. That's why I gotta go down there, man. You're what, Emmanuel?
I'm hard, bro. I'm actually hard, bro. That's the only one got me brick, bro.
Trying to collect them bills.
Right. He's like, give me that. Oh!
Wow.
Superman stuff.
He's practicing.
Yes, sir.
All right, Pablo, come on. Let's go.
Yes, sir, Pablo, you did it.
Yes, sir.
I'm pleased. Yes, sir.
Your turn.
My turn.
Your turn.
I'll do it in your car.
Fuck no,
Oh,
baby.
snap.
Fuck
The wheels
no.
gonna fall off.
I think he'll be alright.
YouTube, it's your boy.
You guys all on this roadway? No? I'd get the fuck out of here then. Unless you all want to get charged for this. For sure. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, blame us now. Let's go to a track, guys.
Me too.
Are you gonna pay the taxes to fix it? I didn't think so.